Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we are going to study chapter number 7 of your subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy, that is Bills of Exchange. So let's begin. Today we will be solving question number 15, which is on page number 308 of your government textbook. I'll read out the question. Journalize the following transactions in the books of Brunel. Now this is the case where we have one drawer and multiple drawers. A. Bank informed that Aishwarya's acceptance of rupees 24,000, which was discounted, has been dishonored and bank paid noting charges rupees 220. Bill was renewed at the request of Aishwarya for 2 months with interest of rupees 480. B part. Received rupees 4,630 from private estate of Ankur, who was declared insolvent, against bill accepted by him for rupees 6,000. C. Accepted a bill of rupees 15,000 at 3 months drawn by Anushka for the amount due to her rupees 20,000 and balance paid by cheque. Dishonored our acceptance to Vivek rupees 27,000 and noting charges paid by Vivek rupees 700. And I have made a format of Journal of Brunel. Let's start solving step by step. First part, that is the A part. Bank informed that Aishwarya's acceptance of rupees 24,000, which was discounted, has been dishonored and bank paid the noting charges. So this is the case where the bill which was first discounted has been dishonored now and the noting charges are being paid by the bank. And so the journal entry would be Aishwarya account debit to bank account. Amount is 24,000. To that we add 220 noting charges which are paid by bank. So total amount would be 24,220. To bank 24,220. Narration would be being discounted bill dishonored and noting charges are paid by the bank. Next part of the question. Bill was renewed at the request of Aishwarya for 2 months with interest of rupees 480. Now the amount of interest is 480 and so the journal entry for the interest would be Aishwarya account debit to interest account. Amount is rupees 480. Narration would be being interest due from Aishwarya. And the new bill which is drawn, that will be paid along with the interest. So new bill entry would be bills receivable account debit to Aishwarya account. Previous amount plus interest amount, when we add, the final amount would be 24,700. Narration would be being new acceptance received. Moving ahead, B part. Received rupees 4,630 from private estate of Ankur, who was declared insolvent, against bill accepted by him for rupees 6,000. And because he has turned insolvent, so naturally the bill stands cancelled. So first we'll pass the journal entry for dishonor of bill. And the entry would be Ankur account debit to bills receivable account. Amount is 6,000. Narration would be being bill dishonored on insolvency. And how much is received from the private estate? 4,630. So the entry for bad debts would be cash account debit, bad debts account debit to Ankur account. The cash which was recovered was 4,630. amount of bad debts would be 1370. Narration would be being amount recovered 4630 and rupees 1370 written off as bad debts. Moving ahead, C part, accepted a bill of rupees 15,000 at 3 months drawn by Anushka for the amount due to her 20,000 and the balance paid by check. So the amount is 20,000, of which bill is accepted for 15,000 and the balance amount which will be paid by check would be 5,000, and the journal entry would be Anushka account debit to bank account to bills payable account. Total amount is 20,000. Of which bill is of 15,000 and remaining 5,000 is paid by check, that is to bank account. The narration would be being bill accepted for 3 months and balance paid by check. Last part, D. Dishonored our acceptance to Vivek rupees 27,000 and noting charges paid by Vivek rupees 700. And so the journal entry would be bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit to Vivek account 27,000, noting charges are 700, and we get 27,700. The narration would be being acceptance dishonored and noting charges paid by Vivek. I hope you all have understood this problem. On adding the total of journal, we get 1,09,100. With this, your chapter number 7, that is bills of exchange, gets over. Thank you so much.